Clear a paper jam for the HP Laser MFP 330,000 printer series. If your printer stops feeding pages while you are printing and you encounter a paper jam error message, follow these steps to fix the issue. This video covers paper jam removal in a few common jam areas. Before attempting to remove a jam, power off the printer. Clear a jam in Tray 1. Open Tray 1. Using both hands, remove any jammed paper from the tray. Close Tray 1. Clear a jam in Tray 2. Open Tray 2. Remove any loose paper from the tray. Using both hands, remove any jammed paper from Tray 2. Reinsert the tray into the machine until it clicks into place. Clear a jam inside the printer. Open the front cover. Remove the toner cartridge, and then remove the imaging unit from the printer. Remove any jammed paper by slowly pulling it out using two hands. Close the inner cover. Insert the imaging unit back into the printer. Then insert the toner cartridge. Close the front cover. Clear a jam in the exit area. If paper is visible in the output tray, gently pull the paper out of the tray using two hands. Open the rear cover. Release the two tabs on either side of the printer and open the rear internal door. Using two hands, pull any jammed paper out of the printer. Close the rear internal door and secure the two tabs on either side of the door. Close the rear cover.